Hi guys, today we were looking at my new truck camper. After 4 years, you finally decided to get one. This is a 01 Forest River, the real light. It's going on some of the compartments. Just got the camper. Got storage there. You got some storage in there. It does have a speaker system. Got more storage right there. All the lighting. There's an onboard radio. Where the TV goes. The dinette folds into a bed. You got some storage in here. More storage. Nice size pantry. Yeah, wardrobe area is pretty nice. Some of the drawers are kind of small. Not really big at all. Okay, so this is a 13-footer layout. The insulation here is amazing, a lot better than our last camper we had was a 1976 Coachman, 76 or 78 Coachman, and the one had a side bed, so this one goes long ways instead of I guess a vertical, I guess you want to call it. Got your storage there for the bed. Onboard monitoring system here. Microwave. Air conditioning. This is a fiberglass outside. The only issues are right there. It's a crack right there. But everything else, I believe this originally came from Oregon. And it looks like it has some issues. Maybe sealed up right there still. Swing up brackets for the dually. A nice overhang. Like I said, there's a couple of issues. It does not have an awning, which is a side entry. So, but this camper, I believe, is 3,100 pounds. I just installed the airbags on our truck. For the weight, it did have the extra, the 1-ton leaf springs. There's the Phillip for the water for the holding tank. You got your hot water here. This is electric, and LP. So I don't know if anybody knows what that means. So basically, it charges. With when you have it on plugged in, it keeps the hot water heater warm. I mean, not exclusively hot. So, and then you would have the propane, to turn on to keep, warm it up even more. So that's good if you're camping and you just want some warm water. You got your electric hookup here, heater. Got a battery here. I wish you could put more in here. I do have one underneath the truck for additional battery. You got your holding tanks. Now this is pretty good area. It's another entry on the other side to hold stuff in. It's pretty good size. It's all the way to the other side and all the way that way. You got your back there. You got a little window there. I wish there was one for the bathroom. It is very dark in there when you don't have the vent open. Yeah, bumper. Another thing I like, I don't really care about this one, is that don't fit in there. Lance has one that it fits in it. I don't really like that you keep it in with the dump valves and all that stuff. It's open here. I don't know what it's for. Unless it makes different ends that will fit in there. Let's see. I don't think these are LED lights. Don't look like it. Got leveling there. On the other side, you got the leveling one. You got your for your license plate. Now this is a real light. I don't know if you can see that, made by Forest River. I have it off the truck right now. I just got done installing the airbags. Like I said, I just got it on probably like, I don't know, 4 inches off the ground, something like that. Got it on these scaffoldings. See, I have some of the weight off the jacks. Like I said, it does have a big overhang. It's pretty good size. But that's about it. And we we haven't really done anything yet with the camper. Like I said, we just got it and kind of just going through everything. Alright, well, that's pretty much about it right now. I'll do more daily videos as they go on, and we do stuff with the camper. Alright, take care, guys.